Alright, let's go. Pretty sure the tank was up pretty slow. I don't know. Let's see. Alright. Hold a second. Let's do this. So here we go. You see how they changed the flapper too on it. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the flapper. And there. And a new fill valve. There's a new fill on this toilet. So yeah. New fill valve and a new flapper. Seriously, yes, it's true, you know. Come on, stupid camera, focus. I don't want to get off the phone. See me in the water, low. Alright, better hurry the fuck up. This video's for YouTube, so I better not spoil it, you know. Plus, shit, I need to put all this crap. Alright, let's go. Bottom of the video right here. Let's do this.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on